Uh, Good day, guys. So today we'll be looking at how to integrate MailDrip into your HTML code and also into your WordPress code editor. So that's like what this video. So if you have been wondering how to integrate MailDrip into your application, but before now, know that integration occurs in two different ways. It's either the HTML integration or the API integration. So, but in this video, we'll be looking at the HTML integration, right? So, if you want to integrate MailDrip into your application, maybe you build a website using WordPress and want to like integrate maybe the subscribe, or you want to integrate the subscribe to us button and stuff like that. So we'll be using, that's what I'll be showing us in this video, how to integrate MailDrip into our HTML code or into our WordPress website. So firstly, just go to your MailDrip dashboard, then come down to like the drip campaign session, then click on create new campaign. So we'll name this campaign testing, then create campaign. So you receive this notification, campaign created successfully. Yeah, so you go over on this name of the campaign created, click on it. You will see a detailed page showing you the recipients, the emails. It's like more like the details of people who have subscribed to your campaign or stuff like that. But then we'll just be looking at how to integrate. So if you want to integrate this to your website or HTML code, or maybe you want to integrate to WordPress, so have like two pattern, right? So have the first pattern whereby you provide an interface for you, that whereby when an individual click on this link automatically, it takes them to this page where they were able to like put in their details, their login, and then subscribe, right? So looking at that first, so this like the edit join page, and then we have this embedded form whereby we created this HTML snippet for you, that you just copy the snippet, put this inside your code or inside your WordPress code or HTML code, and automatically you get the subscription interface, right? So that's like what we'll be doing in this video. So let's go to like edit button here. So this one thing about this section is that it gives you that freedom to like design and interface what your users to see when you want them to subscribe or to join your campaign, right? So this is what you will see by default, right? But then we'll give you the ability. MailDrip gives you this ability to like edit this template the way it is. Okay. So when you click on, so I trying to like design this template now. So when you click on design, then let's change this name to subscribe now, right? Then entitle join our newsletter today. Today. Right? Then the call to action button is this button that the user is meant to click. So we'll use subscribe now. Subscribe now. Then this logo, we want to like put in our own logo. So you can edit the logo. Let's get a picture. Okay, let's use this logo. That's the logo. Then you can try to change the entire what these things look like. Right. So let's change this interface I've seen here now to give it a result that will match. Maybe our website is yellow in color or our website is red. We want it to like match. Don't want people to like know that okay, oh, that this like it's a different website. So have this ability to like regenerate or recreate this change this color, get you a color that will match your website. All right, so that's like what I'll do now. So we'll set the background color, the background color. So we'll use blue. Okay, let's use black. Okay, black is not. Let's use some maybe red. Yeah, use red. Then as the background color, and then let's change the button color. Yeah, they say set button color. So click the button color. Let's use maybe okay. Yeah, I think this color is nice. So we'll save. So, but then you can try to save now. But then what if you needed to get more information from your customers? Maybe you need to like get their phone number, or maybe other details about them that you need for your campaign. So you can easily just go to this form field. This form field now enables you to deactivate the things you don't need. If you just need only their email address alone, you can just deactivate. I cannot think you can deactivate these two now. But I think that's like will be a feature you will implement going forward. So if you want to add any other field apart from this username, first name and email address, so you can easily just come here, maybe you need their phone number, then placeholder, phone number, yeah, then you can set it to require that they need to like fill in this space before they can submit. Then maybe yeah, then activate it. Then if you need to maybe put their age, want it to like be a full form age, then maybe a age. Then if you want it to like be a must that they will fill in this form before they can submit, you can add that, then submit, then activate it. Then you can see now we already have a lot of forms here. So you can also use this as a form or without even like necessary and a campaign, you can use as a form, then automatically get all the information to your MailDrip campaign, but then you can also export these details from your MailDrip campaign list. But then that's not like why we are here in this tutorial. So when you're done with this, you can now save. So you can now save, then go back. When you go back, you can now copy the link because you're done editing. Just copy the link. So they ask, would you like to redirect your user to use a particular link after subscribing? So they're asking if you want them after they're subscribing, want to move them to another page, or you want to move the user to another section or another page entirely, or want to move them to somewhere else. But then we don't want to move our users to anywhere else. One when they're just subscribing, they should just close the tab and then move forward with their life. So we'll click no. Then we'll click no. We'll just quickly. So let's quickly test out this thing. Just go to your browser, paste paste the link on your browser. Let's see. That link you copied automatically. This is what you're going to see. This is like the page designed by yourself automatically. So I just pasted it on the browser so you guys can see that it's working. So automatically the link you copied is this. So MailDrip generates this link for you uniquely. So anybody that types in anything here, let me fill this form. If my age is 10, then subscribe. When I subscribes, automatically the person's mail or person details is automatically added to your drip campaign information. So now you have seen you have one person, one recipient now. So you can see the recipients, can see their details automatically, right? So that's like one thing. That's like a quick test. So you can now copy this. Maybe you have a full website or something. You have somewhere in your website that you want people to like click to subscribe, or you want people to like actually just join up, right? So you can just copy the link and then add it wherever I want to, like add it to anywhere. Add it anywhere I want them to like add it or something like that. Sure. So that's like the first part. So if you have any website or any link you want to like add that particular want them to, when they click on this link, it will take them to this space where they can put in the information and then subscribe. Then that's like the first part. So the second part of this integration is we'll be looking at second part is okay. Second part is the embedded form. So created a form for you whereby you don't need to like do anything, just copy the code, put it in your, maybe you're a developer or maybe you are trying to like integrate MailDrip to your platform or your website, or you don't want to like go to the route of copying the link or making it to be a different page. So you can embed this in your current page in your website, right? So imagine you have a page and then you don't want people to go to on that page to like the former one I showed us. So that one takes you to on that page entirely. But then this one now is embedded in the current page you are in. So we have this option. If you don't want users to move to on that page, you can embed this the same pattern on your code on your current page. Right. So look at that. So when you click on copy code, so firstly you copy so this code will be generated for you specifically because of it will use the ID of the email campaign you created to generate this for you automatically. So just copy the script tag and then go to your code. Um Go to the head of your code and then paste the script tag on the head of your code. Then come back, copy the body. Direct your users to another page after subscribing. Yeah, yeah, guys. So for the second part, the embedded form now. For the second part, the embedded form. So just like I was saying, just come here, copy this first code, go to your code or press code installation HTML. There's this code installation something on WordPress, one HTML code box where you input your code or you input your HTML embedded forms. So paste the script at the header at the top of that box and also the header of your HTML template. Then go back to copy the form. Then same question, could you like to redirect your user to a particular link after subscribing? Then no, like we said earlier, no. Then go back, paste it, yeah. Then save. Let's open the browser and check. And click on the browser, open server. So yeah, we'll have it here. We'll have this right here. So this is the form. This is the embedded code. This is like what it will look like on your website. So something about this that makes it very amazing is that it doesn't need to be like the previous one where it takes you to a different page, where the link takes you to a different page like this. So this is like a totally new page. It can be embedded in a particular single page. It just gives you access. It just gives you a total new page for your customers or subscribers to be able to fill in their form. But then here it gives you a newly embedded, like it helps you to embed this form now in your existing website already. Like you don't need to like take it to another page. In the same page you are on your website, on your WordPress website, is when you copy the code and paste it, it automatically appears. So you can also edit it the way you want. So let us do a quick edit on this form right now. Let us do a quick edit and make it look nicer. Then from the submit to subscribe now. Then we just need to maybe add another field. Maybe add a phone number, your phone number, phone number, yeah, so do that. Yeah, so then we just change the button color. So you can also change the color. So let's change the button color, style, just the background color, let's give it red. Yeah, so you can see now changes are, you can see we have added the ender field entirely. Then let's fix this field. Okay, let's do this. Number. Okay. Yeah, so you can also do more edits. So you can try to like play around with this code entirely. So let us do something. Join our newsletter today. So just increase its style, font size, salad. So you can see now I have something like this, right? So let's just make sure it's working. Let's change an email. So this is like what you get. So you can play around with this code, do whatever you want to do with it, and it will work perfectly well. So subscribe. Yeah, we got the message. Thank you for subscribing. Then you can dismiss. Then let's go to our drip campaign dashboard. Let's see. Yeah, we have two recipients now in our drip campaign dashboard. So this first one was when we used this, the external link. This first integration gives you an external link to a different page like this. After you can done customize it, then the second one now that is being embedded in your particular in this particular web page on this particular landing page of yours was this second one now. So let us test it again. Let's give another name, John. Phone number is, let's put send number, then email John at email.com, then subscribe. Yeah, let's refresh. Yeah, you can see John now, so it's working perfectly well. There is it for now. So you can also retest this one with like a new Gmail, say new, then put the age. You can try to like edit, add more field, remove more field, do whatever I want to do with it. So this is like how to use MailDrip HTML integration. Yeah, we'll have this here. So thank you so much guys. I really appreciate it.